The default settings on the machine will help you get to a great cup of coffee upon first setup. Of course, all coffee beans are a little bit different, so you might need to refine the grind setting according to your favorite coffee beans. Don't forget to use freshly roasted coffee beans so it makes it easier for you to set up the machine and also have a great tasting coffee. Remember to ensure you have the right dose before adjusting the grind. First, let's check the espresso pour, then we can determine the grind change that we want to make. Place our cups. We've got it on espresso, and now we're going to press OK. So because that was pouring too fast, we need to adjust the grind finer. This will make the grind particles smaller, slowing down the flow of water through the coffee and bringing more flavour into our cup. To adjust the grind, we must activate the grinder by pressing the dose button. Now that it's grinding, we can adjust down to the next notch and make the coffee finer. Remember to change the grind one notch only, then assess your espresso before changing again. It's important to make a few espressos and assess the coffee before deciding to make another grind change.